Hi everyone, I'm Ann Whitmore, Norwex Independent Sales Consultant, and I get asked all the time how to use this thing. It's our hair wrap, and it's amazing because if you've had long hair, when you wash it, you usually get, a wet spot down the back of your shirt. But with this, you don't get that. So Calliope's gonna help me. How old are you?
Me too.
4. So this fits a 4-year-old and a 40-year-old and a much older than 40-year-old too. All right, so what you want to do is find the button and flip your head over, lean forward. So you move your hair forward, get your necklace out of the way, and put the button at the nape of your neck, and then just pull the elastic down and your hair forward. Then just tuck your hair into the little pocket and twist. And there's a loop here. Turn around. And you just, pull the loop down, around, come back here. The button. And it stays nice and secure while you dry off, get ready, do your makeup. Do you do your makeup in the morning? No, you don't need makeup. You're so beautiful. And it's nice and secure, even for, shake your head. Right? Anyways, so this is the hair wrap. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy to answer your questions. I'm Ann Whitmore. My site is annwhitmore.norwex.biz. Thanks.